Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see why you need to install wheel spacers with Hubcentric. Let's get it. Hubcentric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.